just goes to show, man, all that rain, that stopped, mid-June or so. And here we are, early to mid-August, and things are just getting fully reopened.
It takes a while, but good that we had it because, compared to what we were at this point last summer, hardly any rain at all, and all the lakes were super low. We were in all the drought conditions and everything like that. So it's good to have, when you get all that spring rain, it sets you up good for what's going to happen later in the summer.
Because you know what happens in the summer.
Because that faucet is going to shut off, and it basically has for us here recently. And the heat is on. Today, the hottest day of the summer so far. We outdid last Friday, where we hit 102. So today, 103, hottest temp of the summer so far. The record's 106, so we'll call it record territory, but not a record high this afternoon. 1988 was when that record was set back in 1988, record of 106. Let's compare to last summer. We've had 12 triple-digit days so far this summer. At this point last summer, we had seen 30. Our normal to date is 11, so we're where we kind of should be this time of the year. What about those 80-degree or warmer mornings? That's just when it's just gross out to start the day. 9 so far this year. Last year we had 28 days where we started the morning where it only got to 80 degrees or warmer in the morning. That is a warm start to the day. We average about 9 at this point in the summer. Average temp so far this summer, 85 degrees on the nose. 2.5 degrees warmer at this point last year, and we're a little above normal this summer by 0.8 of a degree. And here's what we were just talking about. We've had 6.5 inches of rain so far this summer. At this point last summer, 1.25 inches. And our normal is 6.19, so we're above normal for the summer when it comes to rainfall. That definitely helped us out with those local lakes as well, and kind of help keep the heat at bay at times. The problem is the heat is here, it's back, and we'll be dealing with it as we head through the rest of the week and even into the upcoming weekend. But I do have a little bit of a cool down on the way. 101 outside at the moment, feels like 103. Your pollen count for today, grass and elm are both moderate. Fungus is low. Heat advisory continues for all of North Texas through at least tomorrow. Could get extended for some areas into Friday. An excessive heat warning for a few counties out to the west. That's where actual temps will be the hottest as we head through the day tomorrow. Speaking of that, here's your highs tomorrow afternoon. About 103, 104 from Dallas to Fort Worth. I have us a degree hotter out at the airport than today. 104, my official high tomorrow. There's some 105s, 106s showing up across western North Texas. Factoring the humidity, everybody will feel like in that 105 to 110 degree range. That's why the heat advisory is in place for pretty much everybody, or it is in place for everybody through tomorrow with that excessive heat warning for some places out to the west. There's a little bit of relief. 100 on Friday, 98 Saturday, 99 on Sunday. It's short-lived though, because it's back up to 100 on Monday and 101 on Tuesday. And on Friday, there actually could be a few pop-up showers or storms around the area. Don't count on much, but it's not impossible. A little more cloud cover, a disturbance out there will help hold those temperatures down a little bit on Friday compared to what we're dealing with today and tomorrow. And there could even be a few pop-up storms. Once again, don't get your hopes up for seeing one. It's just not impossible for a few of them to be out there. It's better than nothing. Light winds and muggy tonight, 80 for your low, 104 tomorrow. Also an ozone action day. Around 100 on Friday. There may be some places in northern North Texas that don't even make it to 100 on Friday if you can get behind that front that's moving into the area. 90s for the weekend, triple digits for next week, which of course is back to school week. I know some kiddos are back to school Monday, some are Tuesday, some are Wednesday. You get the idea, but it really doesn't matter which day you're back to school because the forecast is pretty much the same for every single one of those days. And it's just triple digits right on through the middle part of the month, or at least somewhere around that 100 degree mark. Could a couple of those hundreds end up being 99? Could they end up being 101? It's possible, but it's just that time of year.